In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink an email address in Google Sheets, making your spreadsheets even more interactive and functional. Whether you're managing a contact list or just want to easily reach out to someone from within your spreadsheet, adding a hyperlink to an email address is a quick and simple process. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheets document. If you don't have one already open, you can either select an existing file from your list of documents or create a new one. Once you've got your spreadsheet open, navigate to the cell where you'd like to add your email hyperlink. For this tutorial, we'll be working in cell A1. Go ahead and click on cell A1 to select it. You'll notice it highlights, indicating that it's ready for you to add content. Now we'll need to start the hyperlinking process. To do this, move your cursor up to the top menu and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with a variety of options. From this menu, look for Link and click on it. This is where we will actually input the email address that we want to hyperlink. Clicking on Link opens a box where you can either insert a URL or, as in our case, an email address. In the text box that appears, you'll see a field labeled Link. You should enter the email address prefaced with mail to transform it into an email link. For example, if the email is example@example.com, you would type mail to example@example.com. After you've done that, move your cursor to the Apply button and click on it. This finalizes the hyperlink creation process and will make the text in the cell a clickable link. Once applied, you'll see that the text now looks like an underlined hyperlink. This indicates it worked correctly. To test it, you can simply hover over or click the hyperlink. You'll notice an option to click on Send Email to example@example.com. Clicking this will automatically open your default email client, ready to send an email to the address you just set up. It's a straightforward way to make email communication smoother and more integrated into your workflow. That's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to hyperlink an email address in Google Sheets. This method is not only limited to email addresses, but can be used for various links to create a dynamic and functional spreadsheet. Practice these steps a few times, and soon it'll become second nature. Thank you for joining us today, and happy hyperlinking.